Hello, my beautiful friends. So this is just a quick video about how to make a vision board. So if you follow the playbook, you know that I don't make New Year's resolutions. It's not astronomically or astrologically a good time on January 1st to be doing like hard and fast, this is what I'm going to do. I don't know about you, but back when I used to make them, I never kept them. It's really more about a time of dreaming. And so a vision board is a way for you to sort of set forth what you want to happen in the year. So last year's vision board, I was very focused on my trip to Scotland, connecting with my ancestors. That was my vision board, and that was sort of the goal for the year. And I'm not arts and craftsy. I love watching like Hestia and all the different YouTubers that I watch because they're crafty, but I am not. People always say, well, you do so many things. What don't you do? I do not clean my house. I do not do arts and crafts. I do not fly airplanes. These are the things I do not do. So I actually did my vision board using Canva. There are free, you can get a free account on Canva, and there's templates. I'm very fortunate to have a professional license because I'm really that bad at arts and crafts. So I made mine, and I just wanted to share it with you. And there's no right or wrong. Like everything else, your vision board is for you. You do what it is you want to do. I was part of this, there was like a vision board course that was running on Facebook, and I have to say it was too much for me because I know what a vision board is. I didn't need extra help. I did a little mini winter retreat with myself today, and this is what I made. So I don't know if you can see it. So up here in the top, and again, you do what resonates with you. I just put my affirmations, things that I'm going to say to myself every day. I am grateful, I am blessed, and I am a light bearer. And then light and love, just some concepts that I want to remember every day. That I'm going to do random acts of kindness. I'm going to have patience under pressure. I will provide opportunities for others, and I will focus on light and love. And that is really important to me this year because the political world is going to get crazy, and people are going to, I'm not a part of either political party, so I kind of stand on the side and watch everybody kind of go at it in the bloodbath in the middle of the Glen. And so I'm hoping to be light in that, and what's going to get increasingly worse as the campaigns go along. So my intentions are to make sure that I stay firm on my daily journal meditations, and then I'm going to create a daily gratitude ritual. And then I'm going to just continue to work with my ancestors on both sides. So my Celtic ancestors, who I'm very connected with, but also my ancestors on the other side. Then I picked a quote that I like, which is from Mother Teresa. Her quote says, "Spread love everywhere you go." And I like that. And then I put a prayer on. This happens to be the Druid prayer. And it reads, "Grant, O God, thy protection, and in thy protection strength, and in strength understanding, and in understanding knowledge, and in knowledge the knowledge of justice, and in the knowledge of justice the love of it, and in the love of it the love of all existences, and in the love of all existences the love of God and all goodness." And you can replace God with higher power, goddess, gods, whatever you believe in. The Druids, this is the standard Druid prayer, but you can interchange that word. But for me, it is God. Places I will go. I actually don't have any specific plans this year for travel. Because of my son's surgery, I didn't want to really make any commitments to anything. I'd of course love to go back to Scotland again, and spend more time on Iona, but I don't think that's going to happen. I might go to Canada this summer for a little bit. It's going to be more day trips. My trip to Arizona was sort of my big trip, but I really don't have anything sort of set. I do a lot of adventures, day adventures, weekend adventures, things like that. But I'm kind of keeping it open because I don't know what my son is going to need. And so, and I just added some of the Celtic symbols that are meaningful to me. And so this is my vision board. And, even if you're not arts and craftsy, I'm not, I think it really helped. Like sometimes I think like some of this stuff is like, too crunchy granola for me. But I will say that doing the vision board last year and this year kind of just really keeps it, like, gives you a way to think about and reflect on what it is you want out of this year. This year is just going to be, being patient and really focused on my family and focused on my son. And so, normally I would be, planning trips and planning events, and usually by now my summer is booked out, of where I'm going hiking, and what part of the trail I'm doing and who I'm taking with me and all that kind of stuff. But this year I'm just kind of like, I'm not doing that because I don't know what he's going to need, and he is my number one focus. So I don't know. Doing the vision board really, really helped. And I did some card spreads with, I don't do tarot, but there were some oracle spreads that I did, kind of just to bring into focus that I should focus on family this year, and I'm looking forward to that. So I hope this helps you. I'm wishing you all the best in light and love. Be well. Take care. Bye-bye.